Hey friends! Today we're exploring the stunning Vank Church in Isfahan. Come along for this sweet, short walking tour. Relax, enjoy, and let's discover together.
Vank Cathedral, a masterpiece of Armenian Iranian heritage. Vank Cathedral is one of the most important historical churches in Iran, located in the New Julfa district of Isfahan. Built in the 17th century during the Safavid era, the cathedral is a remarkable blend of Armenian Christian architecture and Persian artistic elements. Its interior is renowned for magnificent frescoes, gilded decorations, and detailed biblical paintings that reflect both religious devotion and cultural harmony. Vank Cathedral stands today as a powerful symbol of coexistence, faith, and the rich Armenian heritage in Iran. Vank Cathedral Ethnography Museum, a glimpse into the life of New Julfa Armenians. The Ethnography Museum of Vank Cathedral is one of the most valuable yet lesser-known sections of the historic Vank Cathedral complex located in the New Julfa district of Isfahan. This museum offers a vivid window into the everyday life, culture, and traditions of the Armenian community in Iran. Housed in one of the auxiliary buildings of Vank Cathedral, the museum was established to preserve and showcase the lifestyle of Armenian migrants who settled in Iran during the Safavid era. The Armenians of New Julfa played a significant role in Iran's economy, art, and cultural exchange while carefully preserving their unique identity and traditions. Inside the museum, visitors encounter a rich collection of traditional Armenian clothing, reflecting social status, religious occasions, and seasonal variations. Each garment tells a story of daily life, celebrations, religious ceremonies, and periods of mourning within the Armenian community. Another section of the museum is dedicated to everyday household items and traditional tools, including kitchenware, handicrafts, and equipment related to historical professions. These objects illustrate how Armenians maintained their cultural heritage while integrating into Iranian society and contributing to the social history of Isfahan. One of the most engaging parts of the museum is the symbolic reconstruction of traditional Armenian homes, allowing visitors to better understand interior design, family life, and the roles of men and women in the household. This section creates a strong emotional connection to the past and transforms the visitor from a passive observer into an active participant. The museum also displays documents and visual materials related to Armenian customs and rituals, including weddings, childbirth, religious ceremonies, and traditional celebrations. These exhibits highlight the deep connection between faith, culture, and everyday life in the Armenian community. The Ethnography Museum of Vank Cathedral is not merely a collection of historical objects. It is a human narrative of migration, coexistence, identity, and cultural continuity. Visiting this museum offers a deeper understanding of Iran's cultural diversity and the important role Armenians have played in shaping the country's social and cultural history.